Give me a sense of ano yung performance mo sa start. Was it great right away or fits and starts?
It's bad.
Oh, it was bad.
It's really,
Okay.
really bad. I still recall yung first ever stock ko. Kasi syempre, for anyone who's starting, ang unang tanong, anong stock bibilin mo?
Yes.
And then, when I scanned through, so syempre, the only thing that struck me were really the companies na popular.
Yeah.
And that's where Jollibee came in.
Okay.
I bought Jollibee. I initially started with 5,000 pesos. After a week, I think Jollibee went down. So, down ako ng, if I'm not mistaken, around 16 to 18%. I had to sell it.
Yeah.
So, kung gano'n, nawalan ako ng pera. I really thought, initially kasi na, madali lang siya. You just have to buy, and
Yeah.
then wait, and then kikita ka na. And then there, I realized, it's not that straightforward.
Correct.
Pero the opposite thing happened to me is that instead na mapanghinaan ka ng loob, pa-challenge pa talaga ako.
Yes.
Sabi kong gano'n, I know that there are a lot of people who are making money on this one. Why can't I?